A week has passed since the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 hit the market, and it's time to delve deeper into its performance, build quality, and whether any regrets have emerged. Samsung's latest foldable has stirred quite a discussion, with mixed opinions on its design. While some were hoping for a more dramatic upgrade, such as a Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra with a broader cover display and enhanced specifications, we've been left with what we have. Let's break down what makes the Galaxy Z Fold 6 stand out and where it might fall short. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 has undergone some significant changes that enhance its premium feel. Compared to its predecessor, the Z Fold 5, the Z Fold 6's design feels more refined and elegant. If given a choice, I would opt for the Z Fold 6. It not only looks sophisticated, but also feels solid in hand. The boxier, flat-sided design improves grip, making it more manageable for a taller device. Although it initially seems like it has a titanium build, it's not. One notable improvement is the cover display. Samsung has subtly expanded it by reducing the hinge size and making the bezels on all four sides symmetrical. This is the first time Samsung has introduced equal bezels on a foldable phone, which significantly enhances the user experience. The front design of the Z Fold 6 is visually appealing and superior to the OnePlus Open in terms of hinge aesthetics. In terms of display, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 boasts impressive updates. The peak brightness has increased to 2600 nits, up from 1750 nits on the Z Fold 5. Both the inner and cover displays benefit from this upgrade, providing better visibility and clarity. The new display also features a thicker ultra-thin glass, UTG, which is 50% thicker than previous models, and it supports the S Pen, though the cover display lacks this feature. The camera setup on the Z Fold 6 remains largely unchanged from the previous model. It features a 50MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens. The addition of 4K 120fps recording is a welcome improvement, although the absence of a periscope lens limits zoom capabilities to 30x digital zoom. For those prioritizing camera performance, the Galaxy S24 Ultra still offers superior results. While the Z Fold 6's cameras are competent, the S24 Ultra is the better choice for those seeking top-tier photography. So is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 worth the upgrade? If you're coming from an older foldable phone, it offers a refined design and improved display brightness, but it doesn't introduce groundbreaking changes. The durability concerns and incremental battery improvements might not justify the upgrade for everyone. If you find value in these updates, consider subscribing for more in-depth tech reviews. Until next time, peace out.